How to use Pinterest to find your passion. So, of course, you can make this Pinterest board any way you want. I just like to fill in words that make me happy, and then if the picture makes me feel right, I add it to my board. I will show you what it ends up looking. As you can see, there's a lot of nature in there. There's yoga, there's tiny houses, there's a lot of animals. I added those because these are things that make me happy. And when you look at this, I mean, they are all random things that I'm interested in. But I mean, when you see it all together, it's kind of cool. So when you've done this, you can ask Pinterest for more ideas. So these are things that are going to be related to the content you already selected, but maybe with words you haven't thought of yet. So let's see what's there. Oh, I love this. So what are you going to do with this? You're going to use it to inspire you. So do you see connections? What comes back? What does really make you happy? Why did you pick this pin? What makes you happy about it? Go think about it, add more, delete ones if you want. Go ahead, I'm curious of what you come up with.